Hey everyone! I'm back with another makeup look, and this is going to be my go-to makeup. I wear this all the time because it's very easy and simple to do. I love this makeup. You will only need very few products to achieve the look. I hope you like this makeup, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. And so let's get started!
As always, we need to apply an eyeshadow primer all over the lids. This helps to ensure that our eyeshadow will last throughout the day, and also this keeps our eyeshadow from smudging and creasing. Using my For You to Eyebrow palette and taking this cream eyeshadow as our base color, applying it all over the lids, this helps in blending with the other eyeshadows that we'll be using later on. Now I'm going to be taking this mid-tone brown eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying it all over the crease and slightly blending it up towards the brow bone. This is going to be our transition color. Now, taking this dark brown eyeshadow, applying and concentrating it on the outer V area to give definition to the eyes, then slightly blending it onto the crease towards the inner corner of the eye, using circular and windshield wiper motion to make sure that everything is well blended. Take your time, don't rush, you don't want your eyeshadow to look unblended. Notice that I apply this color up to the brow bone. This is a perfect trick in creating the illusion of having that deep set eyes when actually you have a hooded eye shape. Then taking this black eyeshadow to even define further the outer V area. Again, take your time in blending, apply little by little until you achieve the intensity that you want. And also, don't forget to check the eyeshadows on your eyes if they are both even. Using that same cream eyeshadow, applying and blending it well onto the brow bone as our highlight. Then take your favorite liquid eyeliner, doll wing, which happens to be mine, create a medium-sized wing, making a thinner line from the inner corner and gradually thickening it as you reach the outer corner up to your wing. Repeat it to the other eye. Just make sure that both lines on each eye are even. Then I take my favorite mascara, applying an even one coat on both eyes, just one since I will be using false eyelashes later. If you wish to apply more than once, you can do that also. Now take your favorite super waterproof eyeliner pencil, at least for me, because I have a very sensitive and teary eyes. It has to be waterproof or else I will become Po from Kung Fu Panda. Use this to tightline your eyes. Now it's time to curl the lashes. Just make sure that your mascara is fully dry if you're using a heated eyelash curler like me. Now I'm gonna be adding some lashes. You don't have to. You can just stop right there where you apply your mascara. But luckily, I'm not so gifted on the lash department, and I wanted to have that long, full lashes for an added drama. Now grab your regular eyelash curler and bind your own and fake lashes together to make the false eyelashes look like your own lashes. Now it's time to fill in the brows, which I am also deprived on this department. Don't forget to fill in your brows, but don't overdo it. It will frame the face or do the opposite if overly done. Then taking this beige eyeliner, not white. White would be so unnatural looking in my opinion. Then applying this on the waterline to make me look more alive and awake. I'm always doing a foundation last after I'm finished with my eyes so that it will be easy to clean all the eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara that had fallen into my face, and I'm using a makeup wipe remover here. I'm mixing two foundations here in order to achieve the perfect tone that I needed, applying first in sections and then blending it out. Just keep on blending until everything is well blended. Keep on blending. And also don't forget your neck. You don't want your face and neck to look apart from each other. To even look more alive and awake, I'm concealing and highlighting at the same time my under eye area with this awesome creaseless concealer. If you want to know more about this concealer, you can go check my blog at www.beautyandbeyond.blogspot.jp. I'm also applying a little on the sides of the nose and the chin because I'm a little red there. Patting some powders to eliminate the shine, but not too much because I still want that healthy glowy looking skin. Now let's chisel that fat face. Honestly, I don't do face contour on a daily basis. It will be too much and unnatural for daylight, I find. When God was pouring tall noses from the sky, I wasn't there. I woke up late. That's why I'm giving me a nose contour so that at least I have a little of a taller nose. The power of makeup. Hahaha. Now for the rosy glow onto the cheeks, I'm applying this Mauve Rose blush light-handedly, not too much. I don't want to look like a Pokemon, although he looks cute. Prepping my dry lips with this cherry lip balm. It's a must at this time of the year to constantly apply lip balm since the weather is so cold and drying. Then lining the lips following my natural lip shade. Nothing too fancy. Last but not the least, I'll be applying this peachy cream lipstick straight from the bullet, and I got this from Daiso. Quite surprised with the quality of this lipstick considering that it's from Daiso, and most of all, it did not dry my lips. Now we are all done and finished. I do hope that you like this look and maybe recreate this on yourself. Please feel free to post pictures on my Facebook account. I would definitely love to see your versions. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next, and please don't forget to like this video and most definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone!